Hogan, the greatest World Wrestling Federation champion of all time. Here we are at WrestleMania 6. The waiting's over. Here comes the Ultimate Challenge.
You know something, Mean Gene? You don't have to remind me and my Hulkamaniacs, brother. States of America to Canada. I was hovering over Skydome, brother.